So hello guys, in this video we'll be solving the Codeforces 58A problem, that is the chat room. So the problem states that Vasya has recently learned to type and log on to the internet. He entered a chat room and decided to say hello to everybody. He types the word S, which is given as an input to us, and it is considered that Vasya managed to say hello if several letters can be deleted from the typed word so that it resulted in the word hello. So certain example is given, and in this example you can see that hello would be possible if we delete certain words from this given input word, and in the second example it is not possible. So we need to determine whether Vasya has managed to say hello by the given word which he has typed. So the only input given is the word which Vasya typed, and we need to give the output whether he has typed hello or not. Okay, so the algorithm to solve this is quite simple. It would be such that we would initialize and check string, which is hello, and we would initialize two variables j and pass as equal to 0. Now j is used to traverse the to find string, as in when each character is found in the given input, and pass is used to check whether the given string has been traversed such that it forms the word hello. Okay, so first we'll go through the example. So in this case, it is seen that word hello is possible as HELL and O are given, and in the second example, it won't form the full word hello, it will only form HEL. So what it will do is it will iterate all the characters in the given input string, and once it finds the word of the first character, that is H from to find, it would increment J by 1 and also pass by 1. So once it finds H, it will now iterate the string further to find E, then L, then L, and then O. If all the 5 words are found, then value of pass will be equal to 5. And after the iteration gets completed of the whole string, we see whether pass is equal to 5 or not. If it is equal to 5, which is in this case, we will print yes. And if it is equal to, if it is not equal to 5, then we will print no. So in this example, it is seen that pass will not be equal to 5. It will equal to 3, as it only has H, E, and L. L and O are not found in the further string. And in this case it will find as H, E, L, L, and O all are completely there, and once you delete all the other words you will get the string hello in a continuation order. So the code for this would be such that we will take an input string, then we will declare a to find string and two variables as I mentioned, then we will iterate all the characters of the given input string and check if it is equal to find j. If it is equal to that, we will increment both j and pass, and after the loop gets over, we will check if pass is equal to 5 or not, and we will print the answer. So I'll submit it once. As you can see, our answer gets accepted. For code of this problem, you can visit my GitHub, which is mentioned in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe this video, and comment down below what type of problems would you like to see next, or what concepts of computer programming would you like me to create videos on. Thank you for watching.